Hello, everyone. I'm Tina, if you have not been here before, and this is Tina's Workshop, and welcome to my imagination. Um, my new Paradise Fibers package came in today, and I'm super excited. So this is my second one I've gotten, and I had so much fun with the one I got last month, and I am not affiliated with Paradise Fibers. I love fiber, and I've loved watching people unbox these for years, and sometimes each package is a little different, so it's kind of neat to be able to have that opportunity to see what was in somebody else's package. So anyway, this is the July package, and the only hint that I have so far is lightning bolts all over it and stars. So I really have no idea what might be in this. Um, a lot of us that are do stuff with fiber are doing Tour de Fleece right now. And I don't know if they'll have anything to do with that. And let's see, we have 4th of July was in July, but this doesn't really have a very patriotic look to me. So I really have no clue what will be in this. So I'm kind of excited to see what it is. And see, let's get into this. If you're wondering why I have all this, I just had neck surgery last week, and I have to wear this thing for 6 weeks. So, so fun and so stylish. But I thought if I had to wear it for 6 weeks, I might as well decorate it. I did record a video, but my son told me not to upload it. But if you think I should upload it, put a comment down below. Maybe I will upload it later. Because I know I went looking to see if other people had decorated them and they hadn't. So, um, but anyway, that's what's going on here. But it was a good thing. It was a planned surgery and everything went really well. So I just have to deal with this thing. And then I should be back to my better than normal self when I'm done. So, okay, let's put you on the table cam and let's see what is in this package. Okay. Let's make sure everything's down at one end. And snip this off. Ooh, I peeked. Okay, let's find the cards. Okay. Annunciation. July 2023 Fiber Club newsletter, Paradise Fibers Annunciation. I wonder what that could mean. I mean, I know what it means to enunciate, but let's see what they... Fran Angelico's The Annunciation has caught our eye, especially the colors in Gabriel's wings. This fresco lives on the walls in the convent of the San Marco in Florence, Italy. It was painted between 1440 and 1445. The Annunciation was unique for its time period because it marked a transition from the Gothic style to the Renaissance art in general went from flat arrangements of figures without depth to fuller images with a sense of perceptive. Sorry, I totally messed that word up. Join us this July with two special Shetland wool and silk blends, one inspired by Gabriel and the other to go with Mary's robe. Huh. Now, I would not have expected that. That is really cool, though. I mean, what we all do is definitely art. So that is actually really kind of neat. Alrighty. Let's see what our bag contains. Okay. 4 ounces of angel wings, 75% red Shetland wool, and 25% shimmering gold mulberry silk. Ooh, oh my, look at that. Roses on the bag. They always do the prettiest bags. Oh, this is going to be amazing. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. The colors. It's almost like a campfire flame or something. Let's see how close I can get it. There, look at that. I mean, look at all the little nuances of color and the shimmer that's in that. Oh, wow. That is so pretty, you guys. Oh, that is. And it was, what did I say? 4 ounces? Yeah, that's a lot. 4 ounces is a lot. Oh, you can do a lot with that. Okay, let's see what the next one is. So the next one says 4 ounces of Mary's robe, 75% blue Shetland wool, and 25% natural white Erie silk. So we had Shetland for both of them, and mulberry silk in the red one, and this one is white Erie silk. Okay, look at that. Oh, so pretty. Oh, wow, look at that. It's like ocean waves. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay, we've got water and fire, ocean waves and the fire. Those of you like Avatar, hello. Two Avatar things here. Um, I have a son he's Fire Nation. He loves Fire Nation, so my brain kind of goes there. Look at those two together though. Oh, that is just so there's a picture. There's a picture right there. That is so pretty. Okay, let's come in closer on this. Look. Okay, that's just seriously, that's a beautiful. Just take a snapshot. Yep. Okay. So pretty. I don't want to move it. Got a little bit, I was saying how Fourth of July patriotic. We got the red, white, and blue here with a little bit of that yellow. So we even kind of got the patriotic look going here. But man, oh, okay. I need to move along or I'm going to get stuck here on fiber. Ooh, gold. Okay, there you go. Another picture. Okay, let's see. Back to our card. One unication sticker. Mm. Aw, how cute is Eunice there? That is so cute. And I figured out what I'm going to do with my stickers. So after I'm done with this, I'll have to show you what I'm going to do with my stickers. Okay, super cute unication sticker. Put her back where we can see her. And let's see, Stash Tea Jasmine Blossom. I'll tell you that honeydew one last month, that was good. One cedar acorn. Okay. Little pause there. My son came walking in the door. The dogs all decided to bark, but there is a cedar acorn. Trying to smell it, but it's cute. Stick that in my drawer with my other stuff. And one angel wing stitch marker. Old angel wing. That is so cute. Super cute. Okay. So that is all of our bag contents. And okay, so our card says that our showcase pattern this month is Rain Shadow by C.V. Harding. This scarf is not only gorgeous, but a very fun knit. The pattern has very clear instructions and the repeats are easy to memorize. The beaded lace sections add a fun bit of sparkle to the design. I used the Malabrigo Mora for the solid contrast color yarn, and so it will be discounted this month for club members who would like to use this yarn as well. We also have a new color of Miyuki bead called Tea Berry that works very well with the red and gold fiber variation. So there is the scarf. And So the Fiber Club members are this month are getting 20% off of that Malabrigo Mora with the special code that they get in their package. And you can always go and still buy these packages. So every month you get a code for something. So back to our main picture and our yarns with it. This is really fun bag this month. I really like this. So, okay, let's see. I am going to flip you back up. Okay, so I think I might have showed this in one of my recent videos. I'm not positive, but I had this old case that had been my mom's, and I decorated it. And I'm using it for my e-spinner. So my e-spinner goes inside of it, and I had put some elements on the front of it, and there was covering up some like little marks that were there. And I was sitting there looking at it. I'm like, okay, this is a fiber related case now, and what better place to put my Eunice sticker? So there's last month's Eunice sticker right there. So this one will go on here somewhere too. And I have lots of area that I can add to it. So that's where I'm putting my Eunice stickers. They can be shown off. I can see them and enjoy them. And so I'm happy about that. So that's what I'm doing with that. And as long as we're still here, I'll have one little show and tell. I got some fiber yesterday, and one of our local ladies from our fiber guild, she well, a number of the ladies in our guild actually have fiber that they sell and everything, and I just got this one that you guys, oh, it's so pretty. It is Romany wool with Tussa silk. So most of this is Romany, but the little strands in here, the shimmery white strands, are the Tussa silk, and I think that's going to be so pretty when it gets spun up. I got, I'm getting it everywhere now. I dropped it on the microphone. I got 12 ounces. Yeah, I got 12 ounces. So there's a lot of this here. I'm going to get it tangled up. I had an idea of what I want to do with that. I'm not sure, though, that I have enough actually for what I was hoping to do, unless I actually go buy more from her. I also recently went to an alpaca farm, and it was so much fun, and the alpaca were so dang cute, and the one kept hugging us, and I came back with these. This one was from an alpaca named Polly. She's a Surrey alpaca, and she was a two-tone. So I separated her locks when I scoured them. So this is one set of her locks. It's just this beautiful, almost like an oatmeal color. And the other set of her locks, the majority of her locks, oh, I can see I've got fiber here. The majority of her locks was this beautiful, like goldeny brown color. So I have that. I got it all scoured before surgery. So now I can just play with it. And then this one is not a Surrey alpaca. I need to learn the names, but it's basically a regular alpaca. And this alpaca's name was Autumn. And when I was there, actually, the pen that both of these were in had a bunch of burrs in it, and they had all these little burrs in their hair, and I wanted to go pluck it for them. And there was babies. They're mostly Surreys that are out here at this farm, and there was some of the cutest little baby alpaca and everything. Oh, it was so much fun. Anyway, this is autumn, and I've scoured it all, so it's ready just to be done. But oh, I love the color of it. And didn't need more, but you know, can't help myself. So got a new spinning wheel the other day, a travel spinning wheel. Um, there will be a new video coming out after this one of my husband turning a new spindle for me, but it's out of recycled plastic. So that was an interesting little thing, and we had a few hiccups along the way, but oh my gosh, it spins and spins and spins. So anyway, look forward to those things coming out, and I hope you enjoyed this Fiber of the Month Club this month. I think this was a really great one, but you know what? Everyone I ever seen, I think they're all great. So, which is why I order them. It's a fun little thing that you just don't know exactly what you're getting, and it's not that expensive. So I encourage you to do this. If you're into fiber the way that I am, I encourage you to do this. I think it's really fun. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, click the like button, click subscribe if you'd like to see more. I know I'm not posting a lot lately because I've had other things going on. I'm going to try and start posting a bit more again, but if you would like to be up to date with the things I post, you can always click the notification so you know when I'm uploading. And we'll see you again soon. Bye.